that building out.
Yeah, it did.
Should we get away from the windows? Take the cover.
Right over us.
Yeah.
Moving on, moving on.
We'll have a car on the ground.
We're gonna have something on the ground. I guarantee we will. Crack the shit out of our windows. Get shit all on the thing. Shattered my window.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a double pane window.
We're in emergency.
Yeah, I'm sure it knocked the car over. Let me see. Yeah, we got trees and everything else behind us. Yeah. Yeah, it knocked the car over.
Cover.
Yeah, we ain't going nowhere.
We're on the ground.
Yeah. There's a factory gate.
That is a large tornado right there. I think I better go inside now. There's just nothing left.